Hey, there! Welcome to our video on the Presto FryDaddy Electric Deep Fryer. If you're a fan of fried food but are tired of using traditional frying pans, this kitchen appliance may be just what you need. In this video, we'll give you a comprehensive overview of the Presto FryDaddy and help you decide if it's the right choice for your kitchen. So, without further ado, let's dive in. The Presto 05420 FryDaddy Electric Deep Fryer is a popular kitchen appliance designed to make frying food easier and more convenient. With its compact size and simple design, it's perfect for those who want to enjoy fried food at home without the hassle of using traditional frying pans. One of the key features of the Presto FryDaddy is its powerful heating element, which heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature for perfect frying results every time. It also has an adjustable thermostat, which allows you to set the temperature to your desired level and ensures that your food is cooked evenly. Another great thing about the Presto FryDaddy is its compact size. Unlike other deep fryers, it doesn't take up much space on your kitchen counter and can be easily stored away when not in use. Plus, it's incredibly easy to use. Simply add oil and your food, and you're ready to start frying. But like any appliance, the Presto FryDaddy does have some drawbacks. One of the most significant is its small capacity. It can only fry up to 4 servings at a time, so it may not be ideal for larger families or those who like to entertain guests. Additionally, it doesn't have a timer or an automatic shut-off feature, so you'll need to keep an eye on your food to prevent overcooking. And that's a wrap on our video on the Presto FryDaddy Electric Deep Fryer. We hope you found this overview helpful in deciding if this appliance is right for you. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and tips on kitchen appliances and cooking. Thanks for watching.